fingers crossed, because I tried this video before with different types of hair and it did not match. So I do hope it matches. I like literally bleached my hair 3 times, but we get to that on another time. I mean, there's a whole fruity salad in here. But
pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patricia here, back with another video. Welcome. Oh my god guys, I'm back with another video. It's been so long. But anyway, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Patricia, and if you're welcoming back, welcome back. Anyway, today's video I'll be doing this braids, this box braids. There's about 7 on each side. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did these braids on the video, of course. But yes, oh my god, it's been some time. I really want to catch up with you guys. I really can't catch up with you guys, but I feel like I talk to you guys when I'm here, so I actually miss doing this. But this was very fun. It was definitely the first time I've done it. I did it completely different than my previous video, so definitely watch how I did and how I managed to get like attach the fake hair into my hair. Also, I've dyed my hair, so it took me some time to actually find the color that matched, because I bleached my hair, and that will be another video that will explain to you guys everything and what happened and how I like literally bleached my hair 3 times. But we get to that on another time. But yeah, so it took me some time to actually find the color I needed, and I've ordered some on Amazon, did not match. I bought some at African shop, it did not match, and then I had to kind of go and see what kind of blondes they had, and I found one that actually worked out. For example, on this side here, I only used blonde on here, but everything else has blonde and brown mixed, and it looks fine, because some of my hair, like I have like I think 3 different colors in my hair right now, and some are like ginger, some are like really light blonde, some are like darker blonde, and then I have brown and I have a black. I mean, it's a whole fruity salad in here, but we're trying to work with it, and I actually found the color and I'm actually really happy with it. So yeah, anyway, let's just get into today's video. I'll probably do a voiceover on the next bits, and then yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's crack on. So now my hair looks like this. I'm going to be using this blonde hair, which I hope it kind of blends a little bit with my hair, which kind of doesn't look like it will, but I think it will. And I'm going to mix it with this brownie one. So I hope it looks alright. So fingers crossed, because I tried this video before with different types of hair and it did not match. So I do hope it matches now. Why?
Patricia, oh my gosh, I want you to do this to me. Not the specific one, but you're going to braid my hair.
Okay guys, I had to kind of skip part of the video due to lighting, but I'm trying to show you guys how I did from the beginning, and you can see through it's easier to see than me explaining, but you know, as you saw on this part of the video, there was a section I got it wrong. It was just looking funny, so I kind of undone it. But to literally attach the hair, all you do is put it at the top, and then you kind of select the hair. So imagine you have 3 parts of hair, so one part of the fake hair will be mixed with your own hair, and the other part won't be, and then the other part of your hair will be the 3rd piece, and then you start braiding that way. It's a bit hard to explain, but if you see on the next bit of the video, you will understand from this side. And you literally just do one there, you attach the hair there, and one isn't attached, and then you just start spreading around the hair as you go. You're giving a bit of your hair to the fake hair. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I will put the clip again so you can just rewatch it. was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, I've really missed coming, like, doing YouTube videos. I'm definitely gonna be here for a while now. I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna stick here and just keep doing my hair for you guys. So I'm gonna do a lot of protective styles lately because obviously on the condition my hair is, I cut it really short and it's a whole mix going there. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of like protective styles, so I'm definitely gonna be sharing them with you guys. And I kind of from somebody that actually, there's a lot of thing in here, from somebody that actually doesn't know how to braid that well. I think I've done a pretty good job. One thing I'll tell you guys is, like, on the elastic, I put the elastic bands, but you don't actually have to use them if you don't want to. I use them, but most of them literally just broke. For example, this side I don't have it anymore, and it's very, very like loose. It's not tight or anything, but so I feel really good with it. I think I'll have them for a whole week or maybe a bit longer. I don't know. I don't really stay with hair for that long, but I think a week will be very good, or a week and a half maybe. Depends on what state they are. This is like day 2 and they still look pretty good. I always sleep with, not always, I only slept one night. This is gonna be my second night sleeping, so I'm just lying there, Patricia. Anyway, I mean, like, I would just sleep with, like, I usually apply some stuff to my hair, like hairspray, and then I do my baby hairs a little bit, and I put some foam on the braids and I sleep like that. So I think it kind of helps during the night. I don't know, but that's just what I do. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Anyway guys, if you watch all the way here, definitely make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and definitely make sure you give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe like I already said, and make sure you follow me on my social, especially Instagram. I'm always active there, and I'll keep you guys updated. I have a video that I literally uploaded on TikTok and Instagram, which was a short version of this video, so if you do want to watch that, definitely go follow me there. It's Patricia Bento. And yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, which will be soon, I promise. Anyway, bye.